Hey everyone, welcome to the video. In this one we're going to make our own protein powder at home, and it's actually surprisingly quite easy, so let's go. Okay, so we're going to start by roasting our almonds, which these are 1 full cup of almonds, and we're going to roast them on a low flame. And the reason we're roasting them is to remove any kind of moisture that's in them, and you want to roast them until they get aromatic, until you sort of start to smell them. And I think we're done here, so let's take them out. Take them out, set them aside, and move on to 1/2 cup of walnuts and 1/4 cup of cashews and pistachios. For roasting, we're going to do the exact same thing that we did with the almonds. We're going to roast them on a low flame and until we start to smell them. We're going to take these out, set them aside, and now we're going to move on to the seeds. These are 2 tablespoons of melon seeds, 2 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds, and 2 tablespoons of sunflower seeds. And we're done. And then take these out too. Now we're going to roast 1/2 cup of oats. And we're done. And then take them out with the rest of them. And now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. And then mix them together. And now we're going to wait for it to cool down. And now we're going to put all of these into this. And then we're going to cover it and grind it. Then sieve the mixture. Then add 1/2 cup of unsweetened powder milk. And we're basically done here. You can store it in an airtight container like this. And when you want to make it, add 2 cups of milk and 3 tablespoons of the powder that we just made. You can adjust your quantities according to this ratio, and it is ready. There you go. It's healthy and it tastes really good, so you gotta try it. This was it for the video. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more interesting recipes. Yeah, see ya.